So for today's video, I have my friend Flannery Underwood joining me today. And I thought you'd be perfect with this because you deal with time constraints too. And a lot of times as photographers, you don't even realize you have a time constraint.
Yeah, definitely. It's like if you're shooting a wedding, you got one shot to get the kiss, or if you're shooting with a celebrity and they have 30 seconds for you, or maybe not even that long, you gotta like be on and ready to go. So this is a good challenge.
Yeah, sometimes you only have 10 seconds, sometimes you only have a minute, and sometimes you have 10 minutes. So we're doing all 3 time limits, and we wanna see the best picture that we can get in those time frames. So are you ready for the challenge?
I'm ready.
We're gonna head outside and we're gonna start with 10 seconds. So let's go.
Okay.
So one thing I love more than pancakes and like vending machines in Japan are garages. So that's the first area that we're going to. Flan actually has a really nice garage. Let's check it out. Welcome to my garage. Ooh, I love the garbage cans. That's a nice touch. I'm definitely gonna use the garbage cans. So how do you feel about getting in one of these? Like, what's the, from 1 to 10, like how cooperative are you gonna, you know what I mean?
Jess and I are pro at
Why would I do it?
You could totally, Stella, you could fit, and it's a clean one. It's clean. It's like freshly taken out, you know, the city just picked it up. It's gonna be good. All right, guys, today's model is Stella.
Hello everyone.
So, how long have you been modeling for?
I've been modeling since I was 14 and I'm 19 now, so quite a few years.
How do you feel about modeling in 10 seconds?
Did
you know
how do I feel about
You have 10 seconds to
Okay,
model,
10 seconds. Okay, I feel pretty good about it. I mean, I do e-com, so like obviously that's just like posing like really quick,
Yes.
snap, snap, snap.
All right, I'm starting first. It's gonna be 10 seconds, so the time starts now.
Time is now.
Okay.
Just kidding, it doesn't. When we get there, it will.
The timer.
You
I'm
already
on it.
had it pulled up?
I'm on it.
Okay, okay, let's not get
10
hated.
seconds starts now.
9 minutes ago.
Do I want direct light? Do I want backlight? Do I want shade? You can't really, you know, try them all in 10 seconds.
It's true. You
But
gotta pick
can you?
one.
But I could.
But can you? Great
Do
question.
5 seconds on this side and 5 seconds on this side.
Oh my God.
2 seconds. Okay, one test shot. We'll
Okay,
book it
one test shot.
That's it.
Live view, anyone?
You ready?
I guess.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
And go. 10 seconds. Here we go.
Walk towards me, walk. Have your
Oh my
arms
god,
out.
Abby's calling. No, 3, 2, 1. Done.
Are you ready to start 10 seconds?
So nervous to shoot in the sun right now. Okay, so the plan here is going to be, I'm going to do a couple wides really quickly, and then sunglasses a little bit down on the nose, and I'm at a super high shutter speed, chin up towards the light as much as possible. And for the so wide, feel free to move a lot, and then like give me like some hands up, hands down, but then keep giving me a couple different angles, and then I'm gonna come up and do more like portrait, and same thing, and then maybe give me like a few glasses down. That's a lot, but we got this. I believe in you.
Flannery, you only have 10 seconds to do all of this. Your time starts now.
Okay, and then arms up. Sunglasses down on the nose, more. Sunglasses down on the nose and look over towards me. Look over the glasses towards me.
Anna, you're done.
Oh my god.
done.
Oh my god. Okay.
How was it?
Oh my gosh. That went way too fast.
Everything in 1 minute.
Everything.
Got it.
We're gonna hit up all the part. We're gonna photograph this whole thing, this whole backyard. We're gonna send it to like the realtor. She's gonna put it up on their website. They're gonna sell this place.
I'm on
Okay.
like Zillow, like
1 minute. Here we
Okay.
go. And go. 1 minute.
Okay, 1 minute should be easier for me. Okay, let's do. I'm already messing this up. Okay, let's have you just like I want you to do like
walking shots?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's do walking shots. And walking towards me. Actually, here, I'll hold the sunglasses.
Yep.
That was cool. See how you came up to me? Let's do that. Yep. See how you came up to me? Great job. Yeah. Yeah, stay right there. Don't move. Stay right there.
30 seconds.
Oh my God. Okay. Yeah, do that, but turn this way. Like this. Yeah. And then just tuck that piece of hair. put that piece of hair in. Relax your, like have your hands like on the belt.
Yeah. 3,
Take a step forward. Take a step
1,
forward.
done.
Okay, we're doing, you get 1 minute on the clock. Ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
And go.
Okay, we're gonna go over here to the stairs. I'm sitting on these.
How high should I go?
Just, yeah, right there is good. This step? Yeah, that's good. And then, yeah, I'm gonna come right here. Yeah, exactly. Leaning down towards me. Lean your arms out, down. Yeah, great. There. And then, yeah, lean back. Ooh, that's nice. Bring the sunglasses up, and let's do like a little like in the mouth kind of moment, like a little like. You got it.
Choke.
Oh my god. Hold on.
20 seconds left.
Cool. Oh my god. Okay, stand up. We're gonna go somewhere else. Get a little variation. Let's have you up against the middle here, and go right in the center of this thing. Like this one.
9,
This guy. Oh
8,
my god.
sorry.
What?
7.
Okay, and then
6.
yeah, just as many angles as possible. 3,
2,
Oh my God.
1. Time's up.
Yeah, 1 minute. We're
Not bad.
Yeah,
But now we have 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
So
Oh, it's gonna be amazing.
I'm
So
not
long.
even gonna use all 10 minutes to be honest with
Yeah,
you.
great.
I'm gonna
Use
like,
whatever you need.
I have an Uber Eats coming. I'm gonna spend 5 minutes on that, you know.
You ready?
I am ready.
All right, 10 minutes. Here we go.
Okay.
There it is. Go for it.
How is everything? Good?
Great.
You look good, by the way.
You look great.
You look amazing. Yeah, we're going to Cheesecake Factory after this, so this, you know, that's my inspiration. If you guys want to ask me like where I get the inspiration from, it's food. You know, sometimes we get hungry, but it's fine because I fast during Ramadan and stuff, so I don't eat anyways most of the time. But I do because I have to eat to survive. Lift your chin up. Great job.
So Jess is killing it. I'm currently her prop stylist holding this. I think it's like a little sabotage, but she's doing really well.
Oh God, no.
10 minutes is a long time, so we'll see. She's taking her sweet time. She's doing a couple locations. I think she has like a plan in mind, and honestly, I don't even think she's gonna take the whole 10 minutes, so we'll see. I think it's good.
Stay right there.
10 seconds.
Wait, really? Okay.
Yep.
And then maybe just, again, very, very soft.
5.
And then have your hand down on your knee.
And
Bring your body in.
time. That's it. We're gonna go over into the sun. So turn your body in this direction, like away. Yeah, over the shoulder a little bit more. Yeah. And yeah, just like stand
Okay,
in
so
the
you've
little.
had time to plan it out.
I know. See, I'm like sussing it out with the light.
Currently, Flan is really killing it. This is what I expected from her, to be honest. She's very calm, collected. She has a lot of ideas in place, whereas me, I get fixated on one area, and then you only get like one picture from me because it's the only one in that one location.
How much time do I have left?
You have 1 minute left.
Oh, okay.
Just kidding, you have 3 minutes.
Oh my god. Some like face shots here, yeah. And over in this direction a little more. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, really reaching towards the lens for you. Got it?
9, 8,
Oh my god, last one.
6,
Just pose.
5,
Do whatever. You're killing it.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice.
You did it. Are you ready to get
Doing my
changed?
best. Yes, I am. Look too.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Okay.
All right, so we did a little bit of an outfit change. We also changed up the makeup. Beauty by Sarah did such a good job. Look at this look. It's so pretty. You know I'm gonna take some portraits with this look. So we're doing the same thing. 10 seconds, 1 minute, 10 minutes. 10 seconds is on the clock. How are you feeling? What's your strategy?
I'm just gonna blindly shoot and close my eyes and we'll see how it goes.
That works for a lot of people.
Let's do it. I'm ready.
That is my strategy in almost every photo shoot that I do.
Eyes closed. Finger on the trigger.
You know,
That's
just
it.
say a prayer.
Yep.
Maybe it gets answered, maybe
Yep.
not. Who knows?
Jesus, take the wheel.
We got 10 seconds on the clock. Your time starts now.
Okay, hands up above you. Let's do like, yeah, I'm gonna come in tight. Yeah, great. And then back
5,
towards the bush,
4,
towards the bush. Get in the bush.
3,
in the bush.
2,
Yeah.
1, and
Okay, great. Done. No, it's okay. Good job. You did great.
in the bush.
Finally backing
the
up into the bush.
Get in the bush. Got a little bit aggressive towards the end a little bit. It's fine.
I went a little notebook on you. I was like, what do you want? What do you want? Get in the bush.
Wait, hold on. Wait. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is like this.
You're ready. She's ready.
Okay. For the love of God, can you guys stop with the helicopters? Okay.
10 seconds. Here we go. And go. 1 second.
Kill it. You're nailing it. Are my settings right?
3, 2, 1. Done.
Yep.
Good? It's good? Nails it?
Yeah, oh, probably not, but it was good. It was a good experience. It is what it is when we do what we do, right? No one knows it. I'm gonna Google that later, see what song it's from, because I don't know.
Right here.
In the bush?
Oh wait, I got a jogger.
Ooh, get him in the picture, bonus shot, bonus round. You get 5 seconds.
Right? Oh, diverted.
That was really
He
nice of
diverted
him.
that.
Okay.
That was a no.
Have a good jog, sir.
Okay, bye.
Turn the corner so
You guys can get out.
Yeah. Cut. Hard cut.
Yeah, that was a
was
hard
good.
pass right
That was
there.
good.
That was like a tender, like hell no. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like nope, you're not gonna find me on there.
Okay, I'm ready. Okay, great. So
Go.
we're gonna do full body. Oh my god. Okay. And then yeah, just leg out towards me a little bit more. Yeah. And then a little half body over here. Face more towards the sun. Both. Yeah. Look down towards me. Great. Chin up. Yeah. Great. Right there. Cool. And then sleeves like up above your head one more time. Yeah. Great. Cool. Lean down towards me. The chin up towards the sun. Yeah. Great. And then back into the bush for a couple. Let's go back in here.
Oh, look behind me this
Yeah.
time.
And then let's go like really kind of like tuck yourself in there. Like, yeah. Let's see. And then hold your hands up into the bush. Like play with the different. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. Here we go. Okay. I'm gonna come in tight. Get some portrait. Reach out towards me. Yeah. Reach out. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay. Ready? And go.
Let's do some movement stuff here. Yeah. Like walk back and forth. Like walk up towards me. I kind of like you. Yeah, in here. And then kind of like turn to the yeah. Kind of like turn to the side a little bit. Yeah, and then like a little bit shoulder. Yeah, right there. Or just can you tuck this a little bit of that hair back? Yeah. Yeah, those are great. Yep. Yep, stay right there. Yeah, very soft. Yeah. Maybe even like. Yeah. And then I'm gonna get caught up in the same spot. Right here. Oh my god, stand right here. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. The light is only on your face and it's not working. Okay, do like bend down. Let's do some
3
light.
seconds. Oh my god.
Wait, are you
2, 1. Done.
Oh,
Timer.
jeez. Okay. The 1 minute was respectable. We got some good shots, and now we're just gonna do 10 minutes.
Here we go.
Oh yeah.
The sun on your face is so pretty right now. This is like very Alice in Wonderland, you know? Oh my god, I'm legit in this bush right now for you. Yeah, I love that.
Okay, so I mean, it feels like an eternity to be honest with you. 10 minutes. It's really chaotic right now. There's like people on bikes, there's people jogging, there's people and their families, little kids riding their little scooters, dogs, cars, stop sign runners. I mean, it's crazy here.
Here. Oh my god.
1 minute warning.
I'm done. I'm done. I'm gonna like forfeit my last minute.
Can I have your minute?
Do I get bonus points? Yes.
Okay, so I get 11 minutes?
Oh my god. Yeah, you can.
I can like get
Take
something
it.
to eat with that extra minute, you know what I mean?
Do it.
A lot can happen in 10 minutes. I get yelled
Yeah.
at by my mom in 10 minutes, you know, like fights at home. My cat,
Yep.
10 minutes. Only takes her 10 minutes to like eat a cord.
Yep.
iPhones.
Easy.
One time she ate one of through my headphones. That was my thanks, Pepsi. You owe me $30. Okay.
10 minutes. Here we go. Go.
All right. Let's see where the light is nicest. Just pretend I'm taking an iPhone picture of you.
Okay.
Yeah, stay in this area right here. Yeah.
So Jess has been shooting in the same area, but she did a lot of like backlight, which I didn't even think about or consider doing, but I think those photos came out really good. But it's interesting to see because like 10 minutes is such a freaking long time, and like we're shooting like in totally different ways in like the exact same area. So like I think she's doing good, but I don't know, my photos look pretty good, so I'm excited to see them.
Sorry, sometimes I can't express like the pose that I like. Yeah, I love those. Good job. Okay, let's
Do 5 seconds.
just walk or do whatever.
Go. Pose. Done. Timer. Nice. You did so good. Amazing.
Those seem like they turned out really
No,
well.
we did so good.
I'm really
I'm
happy.
so proud of you. You came up with all the cool poses.
Aw.
Yeah,
It's
she's
a
good at
collaboration.
posing.
So
Good
good.
at posing.
So good. 10 minutes was super fun on this one, I gotta say.
Yeah, it was good. It's so much time, but you killed it. Posing was on point. I feel like the outfit was like perfect for this location. Like it matched all the colors, the light was really soft, and I don't know, it just looked really good.
Thanks are in order. We have our amazing model Stella. Thank you for modeling for us
Thank
today.
you for having me.
So good.
And then of course Flannery, thank you for joining me.
Always.
Partner in
Love
crime.
you.
I mean, it was so much fun.
It's good.
Little moments here and there.
Yep.
We like
all
it.
good.
Telling me
Killed it.
you told me I had 3
killed it.
minutes, but I didn't.
Psyched you. It's okay.
We would love to thank Sonic behind the camera for videotaping us. And we would love to thank Makeup by Sarah for doing this amazing hair and makeup look.
She killed it too.
So good. So let us know what you guys think of the pictures, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Let us know what you guys want to see next. So
yeah.
see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.